Kyle, did you see? There's so many bubbles, Kai. Kai. Hello to my 3 million viewers. Mega love shout out. Crispy, kain tayo. Makain ako ng bangus. Pero inihaw. Inihaw na bangus. Paborito ng mga kumakain ako. What's that guy? Kain tayo ng bangus, guys. Pero yung nasa ano, yung naka-repack. Hindi pa kasi afford ng ano. Hindi pa kasi afford yung ano, yung 1 kilong bangus. Kyle. Try mo to, ano, masarap. Inihaw na bangus, the premium fish cracker. It's like a premium fish crackers. Like that. Wag mo subukan, masisira ang buhay mo, Crispy. You can. Masisira yung buhay mo, kaya wag mo munang subukan. Pero masarap siya. Masarap siya, lalo na pag may ano, pag may kasama kang kakain, tapos may kasamang inuman, gano'n. Yung madami kayo. Masarap yun. Tapos, pag nalasing yung tropa mo, iiyak. Iyak ng iyak, gano'n. Masarap yun. Masarap to. Masarap to kabanding. Basta kabanding. Good afternoon to my 6 million viewers. Mega love shout out. Shout out, guys. Sure, what's that? Shout out sa inyo, guys. Hey, what's that? There's so many bubbles like this. Come here. Here, Kagay.
Oh, baya. Oh, baya.
Baya.
Oh.
Say hi.
My kisses. There's bubbles.